Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure a Telnet for remote access purpose on a Cisco router. Let's begin. We have two routers here, router 1 and router 2. What we are going to do is we're going to configure Telnet on router 1, and then we are going to access router 1 from router 2. I have two routers up and running now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the router 1 first, and then we're going to configure Telnet on router 1. Enable configure terminal, and then first what we're going to do is we're going to assign an IP address to the interface of router 1 interface, fast ethernet 0/0, and with IP address 10.0.0.5 with 24-bit mask, and then we're going to bring the interface up by no shutdown, and then we're going to go into the global configuration, and we're going to create the username and password here. Username Thiru, and with the privilege level 15, and then password is encrypted secret with syshello password. So the username and password are created. Then what we are going to do is we are going to go to VTY lines, and for the range of 5 VTY lines we're going to say when we come through this VTY line, to authentication use that local database, I mean the running config for the login purpose, for the login information, and then we're going to exit here, and then exit here again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to router 2 here, and then we are going to assign an IP address to the interface of router 2, and then IP address, we're going to assign the IP address to the router 2 is 10.0.0.10 with the 24-bit mask, and then no, sorry, interface 0/0, and then IP address with the 10.0.0 with the 24-bit mask, and then we're going to bring the interface up by no shutdown, and then we're going to check the connectivity first between R1 and R2. So we're going to ping the R1 from R2, and we're going to check the connectivity. So the connection is good. We got pinged from R2 to R1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to telnet from R2 to R1, telnet and the R1 IP address 10.0.0.5. Okay, it's asking for the user access verification. The username is we created as Thiru, and the password syshello. So we are in router 1 now. Let's go into the router 1, and we are going to check the connection. Show TCP brief. This will show you the active connection. It shows here as foreign address R2 IP address 10.0.0.10 from the port number 50965. It's connected to the R1, which is 10.0.0.0.5, to the port is 23 is Telnet, and the connection state is established. Let's check something. Let's go into the here R2 to verify some. Let's go to configure terminal. We're gonna change the host name, and we're gonna see the change on the R1 from here remote. And let's say change that to, let's say, test, hostname test. So we change the hostname of R1 to test. So we are at the R1 now. It shows R1. So I'm just going to enter, and we see the change there. It changed the hostname to test. So let's change that again to R1. So we had the R1 and then let's change that back again to R1. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and I will see you again on the next one. Thank you.